Welcome to the Mentalverse, the first ever mental health program to open up therapy sessions within the metaverse. We are an app that's specializing in giving the youth, your kids, the best options for mental health to combat cyberbullying, which has become a major issue all over the world. I am Arthur Murray, and my group mates are Jawad Ali, Rio Nakamura, Sean Hallian, and Ayaka Marita.
The problem our group wanted to try and combat was the rising mental health concerns all around the world. Whether it's through cyberbullying or just bullying in general, people need access to outlets for help dealing with these issues and the emotions that can occur. 60% of parents who have children between the ages of 14 to 18 have reported bullying problems, and as a group, are aiming to reduce the lack of mental health tools by increasing the access, hopefully lowering the cost of professional help, all by utilizing the metaverse and its growing popularity to do so. The mental health problems we face as a society will only fester and grow if we don't do anything about it. One in every 5 people struggles with mental illness of some sort. 1 in 6 kids from ages 12 to 17 report having major depressive episodes. Just like the mental health problem, metaverse is also growing too. It's used by all sorts of people everywhere and is even being implemented for use in job trainings all over. It's especially popular with the younger generation who we want to reach with our Mentalverse idea. By bringing the healthcare to these kids in an accessible place, we can really make a difference in their lives, and it's one that they may never have been able to have otherwise. Some competitors to our idea could be the insurance agencies already funding telemedicine. Uh, this is definitely someone that we would want to have on our side because we want them to hopefully fund headsets for patients who want access to the Mentalverse, therapy or whatever services we offer, and just can't afford it. And hopefully that would reduce the cost for the patients at the end of the day as well.
What's the solution? So we're thinking of two types of solution here. One is app and metaverse platform. This include connecting kids who need help with mental health care specialists 24/7. Mediation. Group meeting. Developing a metaverse world to host therapy sessions. And device monitoring access for parents. Second is differentiation from competitors. There are mediation apps, free hotline provided by the government, in clinic mental health therapy access, and addressing mental health issues with the metaverse.
So, as far as monetization, our biggest thing would be just getting in touch with these therapists, and they'll be able to pay for advertising to really get their brand out there. The second thing is a monthly plan. So, our app is free for anybody that wants these mental health services. Now, if you want to use the metaverse portion of our app, you'll just be put on a monthly program subscription, and it'll depend on how many lessons or how many sessions you would like per month, and that will determine what you're paying for your plan. And then lastly, eventually we would like to develop partnerships with these bigger gaming companies, so that our app is included in all future gaming systems. Just because when these kids are entering this new world, new technology, it can definitely be a little overwhelming for kids. So we want to make sure that they're given the correct tools when they get in there, so they can utilize it most effectively, and we can combat as much cyberbullying within these spaces as possible.
Finally, we will summarize the key takeaway of this project. First, mental health in kids has become a major problem. Youth suicide rates are extremely high. In the United States, suicide is the second leading cause of death among 10 to 14-year-olds, and the third leading cause of death among 15 to 24 years old. And furthermore, Approximately 20% of bullying by children and other occurs online. Second, new technology can potentially cause cyberbullying to increase. Kids moving into new online spaces are unregulated. And this opportunity creates healthy boundaries for children with the metaverse. Third, combating the mental health crisis among the youth. Our vision is to solve this, and this includes early diagnosis and treatment of mental health issues through individual therapy. These will be available in the home, further expanding our reach.